Welcome to a ViewSonic unboxing. My name is Ray, and today I have for you an awesome new series of gaming monitors. This is specifically the XG26 lineup of gaming monitors. It comes in two sizes, a 25-inch and a 27-inch, and we'll show you both, but I'm gonna go ahead and open up the 25-inch and show you what makes it so cool. So if we start opening the box here, so this is a brand new series of IPS-based monitors that really focuses on a few things. That's image quality, connectivity, and ergonomic design. So let me show you what I mean by all that. As we open up the box here, everything you're gonna need is gonna be available to you right away. Easy setup, easy configuration, and all the cables you're gonna need to do the setup. First thing out of the box is the manual, as well as some additional screws. And as I said, we have different connectivity cables. So we have a power cable, we have an HDMI cable, we have a DisplayPort cable, and we have a USB Type-C cable. This monitor does include all of those ports, which will allow you to connect to any type of gaming hardware you have, whether that's a gaming PC, a gaming console, or even a Nintendo Switch. Now the stand for the monitor, like many of the ViewSonic monitors, comes in two pieces, and we will go ahead and show you how to put that together. So it's very simple. You just take the base, connect it to the upright piece of the stand, and then there is a thumb screw on the bottom to tighten the two together, and finger tight is perfectly okay for assembling your monitor. Now this is the fully assembled stand. We're gonna set this off to the side here and open up the rest. Now that we have the monitor laying down, it's very easy to connect the stand to the monitor. You just line up the holes and you'll hear a click as the stand captures the head of the monitor, and you can lift the entire assembly together. So this is the assembled XG2536, completely ready to go for your gaming purposes. Let's talk a little bit about the specs. So this particular model is a 25-inch, which is really liked by competitive esports gamers because it gives you a perfect view and it gives you a perfect field of view of the game that you're playing. It's an IPS monitor with full 8-bit color and 300 nit brightness, so nice bright image, and the IPS ensures really good viewing angles so you can see bright, vibrant colors no matter where you're sitting. In terms of gaming chops, this thing is really fast. It's a 240 hertz native panel with the ability to overclock to 280 hertz if you're willing to forego the AMD FreeSync. Basically, that allows you to either play in a 240 hertz mode that will sync to your computer and give you a very immersive, very fast gaming experience, or if you really want the greatest competitive edge, you can go all the way to 280, especially in a no VSync mode, and really win some competitions. So we think it's really cool. In addition to this awesome full HD 1080p 25-inch version, we also have a bigger 27-inch version with a 2560 by 1440 resolution, or Quad HD. And let me grab that for you. So no matter what gaming experience you want, if you want a very tight esports focused competitive gaming experience with the 25, or a little bit more immersive, higher resolution, higher fidelity version with the 27-inch, you have options here on the XG36 series. Now these two models are otherwise virtually identical in terms of their aesthetics and their capabilities. So as I mentioned before, these are all about that image clarity, that connectivity, and that ergonomics. So the ergonomics, these are full height adjustable with swivel and also pivot capability. So if you are a gamer by day and a programmer at night, or a programmer by day and a gamer by night, you have the ability to use these as vertical monitors to give you all that nice coding space that coders love. In addition, as I said, these are very, very good in terms of connectivity. On the 27-inch here, we actually have dual HDMI 2.1s, as well as that display port and a USB Type-C that does full 65-watt charging. So if you have a laptop you want to connect up to the monitor, it can do full charging of your laptop, no problem. The 25-inch, also dual HDMI, also DisplayPort, also has the 65-watt Type-C. And again, that allows you to be able to connect to any kind of gaming device, whether that's a console, a Switch, or a gaming PC. So we think that between the two of these, there's really awesome connectivity options. So this has just been a quick unboxing and overview of the XG36 series of gaming monitors. Please watch this space for more exciting videos on ViewSonic gaming products and ViewSonic monitors.